It's me again. Today I'll be wearing my cooking hat, so I'll see you in the kitchen. And we're here. Today I'd like to show you how I make walnut banana bread. So let's talk about bananas. It will be good to use ripe bananas, so you get the natural sweetness and flavor from the fruit. If your bananas are not ripe yet, here's a tip. Alright, but before we begin, let's preheat our oven to 175 degrees Celsius. I'll do that now. It'll also be good to line your loaf pan already with baking paper, so that later you can just, once we're done with the batter, we just pour it in. So we begin. We'll peel our bananas. And now that our bananas are peeled, we can now smash or mash. Okay, you have two options. You can use a fork, or you can use what I use, which is the potato masher. My weapon of choice is this one because it's easier. Watch. Okay, now that our bananas are mushy or smashed or mashed, just scrape it off the masher. Another one of my favorite things in the kitchen. Okay, now it's time to add our butter. Mix it a bit. Before we add in sugar. And of course, my secret. This is my little secret. Maple syrup. I add it for the same reason that you would add it on your pancakes or waffles. Mix. Woo! Oven is ready. Okay, now we add the eggs. There. I have dishes to wash later. Never mind. And some vanilla. Give it a good mix. And now we can add in some salt, and then baking soda. Now these two things, I don't think they're necessarily a secret. My husband just suggested these: cinnamon and nutmeg. I think I'm about to sneeze. All that powder. Okay, and now more powder, because we're adding in our all-purpose flour. Give it a good mix to combine the flour with the rest of the ingredients in your bowl. Okay, so now that it's all combined, we got our walnuts. Okay, walnuts. So these are raw walnuts that I will gently crush. You can also roughly chop or gently crush. I choose the latter. So here we go. Now I like texture in my food. That's why I added lots of walnuts. All right, so now that has been gently crushed, add that into our batter. And Mix good. Okay, and now I think we are ready to pour it in. Let's do that now. Just spread it like this. We are ready to put it in the oven. So, 60 minutes. In the meantime, I'm doing the dishes. Be back soon. And I'm back. Oven mitts are ready. 5 seconds. There it is. If you want to make sure, you can do the skewer test. It's clean. It's all done. Now, what I usually do is I leave it to cool in the tin for about 10 minutes. Be right back. And now, for my favorite part, tasting. Here we go. Nice and moist. Okay, I know some of you are laughing at that word. I don't know where that came from, but it is moist. And the walnuts are still crunchy, just the right texture. And it's warm and soft, perfect with my coffee. So you see, it's easy to make and even easier to eat. Thanks for watching. Till next time.